Okay, so today we're going to talk a little bit about what we need to do to address that opposing side. Cam did a great job telling us about why we want to include that counter argument to show that we understand both viewpoints. So this is your chance to really persuade those readers who might have an opinion that's a little bit different from yours. You don't just want to flat out say, you're wrong, your opinion is terrible. You want to show that you understand their opinion. So you're going to persuade them by addressing one of their reasons. And I know that almost all of us have already researched that counter argument, found that evidence about the opposing side. So this time we're going to try starting off our third body paragraph with a new transition. You can use one of these two statements. Some people may argue, or although some feel that. And then you're going to go on to say what other people might feel. From there, you're going to introduce the evidence you found that relates to that side. So you might say, in fact, the name of this article states, and then put your evidence in. Or, according to the source, whatever source you found, and then put your evidence in. So in this paragraph, you should have evidence from the other side as well as referring to their reason. And then afterwards, you will go on and continue the paragraph just like your others, where you go on to introduce your reason, your evidence, your elaboration, and hopefully some smiley face tricks. So that's why we must always consider both sides. It's a little bit different, a few new transition words, but if you get stuck, you will have this video as your resource, and of course our help center.